Hi, it's part 2 for Million Cat Slime. Now, we found these bowls we could use for our slime in, and I'm not sure if it's too much slime to put in.
I mean, some of it might fall out, but just put it back in.
Yeah.
Mine's falling out too.
Yeah, it doesn't matter as much.
Even though I've got like less.
Don't worry, I didn't add anything since you came. So, I didn't add anything.
Like, as in, she hasn't added anything since the last video.
Yeah. I haven't added anything since the last video. Now, I'm done with the flowers. She hasn't added anything. We're gonna use these.
I only want to do this one.
Exactly, so we'll just wait.
Oh, okay, yeah. I'm just gonna play with mine in the meanwhile. Oh.
What? Don't get distracted, Millie.
Oh, yeah, I have got this distraction issue. Nah, not really.
Oh my god.
Because this video is about slime. Oh my god, maybe it will overflow the bottle. Who am I kidding? No, it won't.
It won't. It won't. Because you're going to mix it at the end and see. Okay, I think we're done with that. Now let's add her favorite thing about it.
Yay!
The red part. And yeah.
The red bits. Yeah, that is going to make this slime look aesthetic.
Yeah, she can have loads of it because, yeah, you know. Well, add as much as you want, but keep some for me though.
I mean, that will be enough, right?
It'll make her thing look aesthetic and she wants it to look aesthetic for some reason. I don't know.
Come on, who doesn't like aesthetics?
I don't know.
Aesthetic means like nice to look at.
Of course, yeah, of course it does mean that.
Oh yeah, so if you haven't read it, oh yeah, it sounds like you're being sarcastic. So you probably don't know what aesthetic means.
I do, girlie.
Okay, but like I don't get.
If you ever think Camille's my sidekick, she definitely isn't.
Hey.
No, but it actually looks like you're my sidekick. Even though your name goes in Million Cat first.
But Cat and Millie doesn't sound as good. Oh,
I
wait,
know.
can I have a bit more?
Sure, of course. I have as much as you want, girlie.
That would do. Oh yeah, it doesn't look like I've got a lot, but when I mix it in, it looks like I've got loads. Oh, thank you.